For all wiring scenarios, here are some things to keep in mind. All emergency lights must be on the same circuit and fit the power rating. Use either 120 or 277 volt lines. The input and output voltage must be the same. New Mini Inverter 1000 watts with 4 circuit outputs. In this example, we have more than one zone. Each zone has multiple lights that are controlled by a 0-10 volt dimmer switch, including emergency light in each room. Wire the unswitched input of the Mini Inverter, all dimmers and non-emergency lights to the electrical panel. Connect Mini Inverter input number 1 and number 2 to its unswitched input and the corresponding output to the lights that will be used as emergency lights in each zone. Wire each dimmer to one of the numbered LCO input of the Mini Inverter and the corresponding outputs connected to the light that will be used as emergency lighting in each zone. When AC mains power is on, the lights in each zone are controlled by the respective dimmer switch. When the main power goes out, the Mini Inverter will bypass the dimmers, so that even if a dimmer is off or down, the lights wired as emergency lighting will turn on at full brightness, powered by the Mini Inverter. For more information about Mini Inverter electrical designs, contact technical support.